Welcome to Fashion Couture for a Cause. You want me to do something? Hello everyone, my name is Caroline Johnson. I'm the director of Smart Animal Rescue. We are here at our fashion show today with the Bull Ladies at Club 51. We're super excited, looking forward to a great night fundraising for the animals. Hi, Ashley. Yes. Jolly. Did you win? One for 5 or 6 for 20, and all of this benefits the animals. So there you go, all of it. Darling humans! I'm a Rose Boutique. Her name is Andrea Lopez, and she is also a bow lady, so come on up. I'm so excited. Yeah, get a highlight on the runway. Doesn't she look amazing? Yeah, girl. But then I'm a little biased because I'm mother and grandmother. All right, let's give it up for Otis. All right, give him one more round of applause for these beautiful ladies. We're doing it, we're doing it. Thank you all again for being here. This was an amazing turnout. I hope you guys had a good time and enjoyed the fashion show. Just like he never cried on herself. So I'm